Next, process wire bonding. This is the process of creating connection from the die to the lead and the type of wire used in gold wire. Next process, globe top. This process covers the die and the wires that have been wire bonded using resin. Next process, UV exposure. This is process involves curing the resin by epoxy into UV light to harden the resin. Next, electrical test. This process checks the result after the globe top process using a multimeter. Next, cutting. This process involves cutting a single lead frame into individual units. And the last process, the final inspection. This is the inspection of the chip using energy to determine whether the chip can be used or not. Next.
Okay, next, this slide show the progress of the project. Focus on the concept and design stage. In the concept phase, the team discuss idea, define project objective, and present initial concept. In the design phase, the team developed the technical design and layout of the chip on board or COB, including the globe top area. The output of this stage include kick-off PBL, and design discuss and the initial COB design layout. Next. Okay, this slide present the project progress during the implement and operate stage. In the implement phase, the chip on board or COB manufacturing process was carried out, including die preparation, die attach, wire bond, globe top, UV exposure, electrical test, cutting, and the last is finish inspection. In the operate phase, the finished RFID modules were tested and operated to verify functionality and performance. The output include assembly, COB panels, and functional RFID modules ready for use. Next.
Okay, next I will explain the material, tools, and machine used in the COB manufacturing process. And this slide show the material used in the COB manufacturing process. The first is wire bolt. Wire bolt is used for wire bonding to connect the die chip to connect the die pad to the substrate due to its high conductivity and oxidation resistance. The second is UV resin. UV resin is applied during the globe top process to protect the die and wire bond and is cured using ultraviolet light. And the third is epoxy. Epoxy is used the die attach process to bond the die chip to the substrate. And the fourth is substrate. The substrate serves as the mounting medium and electrical interconnection. And the last is die chip. Die chip is the core component that processes RFID metal. Next. Okay, this slide shows the tools, supporting tools used during assembly and testing. The first is inspection microscope. It's used to check the die, wire bond, and globe top condition. The second is skizzers. Skizzer is used for the cutting process. To cut the substrate into individual units. Next is NFC reader. It's used for electrical testing to verify RFID functionality. And the next is solder iron. Is used to connect the substrate to external circuit or antenna. And the next is tweezer and multimeter are used for precise handling and continuity checking. Next slide. Okay, this slide shows the main machine used in the COB manufacturing process. The first is UV exposure. UV exposure is used to cure the UV resin during the glove-top process. And the second is die attach machine. It's used to accurately place and bond the die chip onto the substrate. And the last is wire bonding machine. It's used to connect the die pad to the substrate using bond wire. Next.
Okay, next, how the RFID system works. This slide illustrates the process of near-field communication between a reader and a COB. The system operates at a start frequency of 30, 50, 56 megahertz. Okay, the step by